Are you trying to decide between Google AdSense and Ezoic for your website? You are not alone. Many website owners face this choice. Today, we'll compare these two popular ad platforms. Both Google AdSense and Ezoic help you earn money through ads on your site. They connect you with advertisers and display ads that fit your content, but they do it in different ways. Let's start with Google AdSense. It's one of the most well known ad networks. It's easy to set up and use. You simply place a few code snippets on your site and ads start showing up. AdSense uses a cost per click model, meaning you earn money when visitors click on the ads. It's a straightforward choice for beginners. Now, let's look at Ezoic. Ezoic is a bit more advanced. It uses artificial intelligence to optimize ad placements. This means it tests different layouts and ad combinations to see what works best for your audience. Ezoic also offers additional features like site speed optimization and analytics tools. It's great for those who want to dive deeper into ad management. When it comes to differences, the main one is control. AdSense gives you limited options for ad placement. Ezoic, however, offers more flexibility and customization. Ezoic can also potentially earn you more money due to its optimization features. In terms of pricing, Google AdSense is free to use. You only pay when someone clicks on an ad. Ezoic has a subscription model, but you can start for free and pay based on your earnings. So, who should choose what? If you're just starting out and want something simple, go with Google AdSense. But if you're ready to take your ad revenue to the next level, Ezoic might be the better option for you. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more insights.